Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2015 Ram 1500 ST. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the maximum steel and it looks fantastic. It's like a dark gray color and it looks great. Right up front you got that chrome accenting on the grille and the chrome bumper. You do have halogen quad headlamps right there and they are very bright, as well as you do have your fog lights hanging out just down there. Now coming around the side we do have 17-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler tires and they look awesome. Those rims are very nice. Lots of tread left on them as well. You'll be good for a while. You do have the 1500 logo there and the Ram the Ram 1500 logo and the Hemi logo. As well you do have heated exterior mirrors right there. They look great. Now around the back here we do have a 5-foot box. It looks great. You do have the 4x4 logo and the Ram logo. You can open this guy up. Lots of room back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. You will be able to haul a lot of stuff back here. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock as well. And then you do have your panic button just up there. But let's unlock and take a look. So on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. You got your handle here, another handle here, and some storage just down here as well. You do have the controls over your lights here, so your off, your daytime running lights, your auto, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And this guy here does control your turning signals, as well as your high beams, and your windshield wipers. It is a very soft interior as well. The cloth is very nice to sit on, and it will keep you comfortable for long drives as well. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now we can change that guy in the middle from our speedometer to our vehicle info, our fuel economy. We have our trip A, our trip B, our messages, screen setup, settings, and you can turn the menu off if it is too bright for you. You do have those all controlled from right here, horn in the middle, and your cruise control options on the other side. This guy is our gear shift right here, just like that. Now we do also over here have our radio, so we have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your media player if you have something hooked up through an aux cord. As well, you do have your info, your ABC, your presets down here, volume up and down with your off button, your skip and your mute and all that, as well as your audio, your menu and your back, and your browser right there. And down here we do also have our climate control, so the power up and down, circulation, heat, and AC. You got your hazard lights there and where it's going to blow out of. And then over here you do have your control over your 2-wheel, your 4-wheel lock, and your 4-wheel low, as well as your neutral. And then down here we have our traction control and our tow and haul mode, and a bit of storage just in there with some plugins on that on both sides right there. In the center here you do have your armrest with 3 cup holders. You can lift that guy up and you got some coin holders there, and a USB and an aux cord plug-in right over there. You can also lift it up. Oops, sorry. And you do have another seat under there, so it can seat 6 all together. And then over here we do have our glove box. Lots of room in there, and you have another one right up top. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. You do have your handle here. You have your controls over your windows. Handle here, and some more storage right down there. Lots of room back here. It is very soft as well. Same material as the front. You'll be good on those long car trips. You can lift it up and there is some storage right underneath if you did need to get to that. You can access that very easily. And you also have some storage just under here. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.